Mahaya GC News, Luma Bawumia Akwaba had the latest hot news in Kwanam the Bremo. So we are subscribe to the channel now. Message say over subscribe. Jobaya and say over click the subscribe button. Now see what belly notification. We are the side video piano with sa ever can be. I thought we are now like a video no give us a thumbs up. Now see share my offer for so now we need be now war and I will win your echo. I feel you're here and some about the profit and some air cost something.
The NPP have outdoored their running mates, Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, yesterday in Ashanti region. But something very frightening, very scary, shocking happened at the events when the running mates was allowed to unleash the loose talk, the useless talk, the empty talk, unguided talk on the first president of this Republic of Ghana, Osajefo, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Yes. And of course, the party does not find anything wrong with this. And the governing party NPP, Mukoyi, and Amokopa, Matthew Opoku Prempeh, and who entama, editre Yewafa, Utun for say to the second, and Yasantamai, that the Anusutu to allow I have to exercise some patience here. To allow Matthew Opoku Prempeh to unleash the unguided, misguided, loose talk, empty talk on the first president of this republic,
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
And the government NPP see nothing wrong or any adverse wrong with this. And Obi says, hello, what is going on? Poneben or Sajifo, Kwame Nkrumah diamo. Yepo, Yempi. Be better no bet to be criticizing Kwame Nkrumah. At least we all take consolation and take pride that Kwame Nkrumah took Ghana from wherever to be a between. To be soon to us where I don't know being to us. Mrs. Owusu, who share program we, I salute you. And I always love your statement. I say, Kweku, I salute your divinity. Mommy, God bless you. Mrs. Owusu, you are in London. Ora Napo, yeko you would say wafa. And you would say Santimai. Kwame Nkrumah. Now let me say this. Any attempt of denigrating Osajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is an affront to the territorial sovereignty of this republic. And that individual must be ostracized and castrated. I'm serious. Obiara ube kasetia Kwame Nkrumah no, who say nipa no? Ostracize on here, castrate too. And that is what Napo should be taken through. But we demand to know whether or not Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh was indeed speaking the mind of the party or his own words, and we need to know. Afriyie pesi who said Matthew Opoku Prempeh and na waka sa esisia kasa no na waka ono na dwene ana waka NPP for madwene. Mamenka se Kweku de bia meka kire mu plane. Muntimi nsisa history of Ghana. I swear to God, muntimi. The history remain. Opoku Prempeh must understand this and must go back to the drawing table. Say, Ebra, Kwame Nkrumah tiasia, na mo pese santimai enya ne federation no. What happened? Sa apri between Asantimai and Kwame Nkrumah was part of why the independence of the republic was delayed in 1957, 55 all the way to 50. Munim history no. Munim history no. Bafo Akoto yenkote party ni enfambeshe no NLM enimni ade ena mosimu pamu federal state, all because Kwame Nkrumah was accused to have using the gold in Ashanti region and developing the rest of the nation. Na muzi hey munti asie nti mo pamu federal state yes okay ena mamia wenya ne baby Queen Elizabeth as you know yenkonkoto aba between the
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
And Akoto and a unity state led by Kwame Nkrumah. Owini enwa no. Edeba Sembio. Why is it say it's as though some group of people within this belt have something against Osagyefo for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah? As he is saying, why would you do that? And some Fua Napo Echo Kahono NPP as a party and as a government. Bibi always say, if we are saying ye cano, ye see Fanto, so name and my moodin and Shemra, my moodin and Yaden in Tumra. In a matter of some hours to that of the occasion, glamour epitomizes that of Ashanti region known as the World Bank of the governing party NPP. No, nanti de Napo ko na Napo ku prove no hwe enra no a Napo egu no hu ni mu ase egu party ni mu ase, and the NPP see nothing wrong of what he did. But in the coming days, ejabeso may come what here NPP Matias here. Eja ebeso some fun way ye makwama Napo enke kanasa Napo chooses to apologize to this, or we take it like it's going to be a back to back. Because me I have some spot for Napo right there, sort of. But enura someone Napo ko kind of say, hey, ora na wo akukudro sa owo akukudro a obetia Osagyefo for Dr. Akufo-Addo aye na me ba. On Monday I stated here, now I'm challenging Napo and anybody in the Ghanaian politics, be that we are Professor Dr. Emeritus, come here, ni in debate. Take Kwame Nkrumah aside. Ni focus on the developmental goals of former head of state of this country, Obenya Baby Koyem. Lieutenant Honor General Ignatius Kutu Agyapong, on no era, NPP more the 8 years, Kutu Agyapong in your 7-year rule, meboa, ni compare ni shesa mayeden. Rubbish. We did some fun papa. Na mo can some fun. Kutu Agyapong era. Now let me catch on. The whole of Dansuman, the biggest estate in West Africa, Mwesibi. When you talk about the housing deficit, the whole of Jowulu, ni na initiative of Waya. Kutu Agyapong. Any other places. At least, Yan Kankwecheno, Kutu Agyapong remained the only head of state. And short say, Ghana's debt against our debt portfolio was cancelled. Momoba here. Akronfo criminals, thieves and rocks. What the debts need to be account balloon to billions. And I'm a mo kenyo foriata. Akronfo the munimisa mumoro sikano.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Should be the Ghana kudria. The same. Woo. Efeno Opoku. Matthew Opoku. Your predecessors tracing from the Buzia rule, which is the Progress Party. Kwana kwashe adia Buzia oye. When Buzia apparently introduced what you call economic austerity measure, the Ghanaian cedi was reduced to 43%. What are you talking about? Sick of it. Nobody dare change the history of this country. Come and prove to me a development bang and a maya everything. Motorway na da hono. Motorway na da. Yes, motorway how many years ago? Your ministers and transport sheepishly and fully went there and spoke rubbish. The motorway would transport all our food staples to the port. Ohoni yedi yenu ani ne yede fa ye koton. Ene da hono 8 years ne. Moba ma yehu de munim se mobe pache. Nsem hu na mokeka. Uko jira hosa ube shema ye atoye ohona uko jira se udi wini kranre uko gu wini mu asenra ko kamientia mo Kwame Nkrumah no. Hey, are you serious? Folks, let's watch him. Ni entie se sa na okan ya. Take a listen to this quickly.
Ghana ha ya chechi Ghana abakosoma but Akufo-Addo call retirement but be say case we say a free say ya chechi Ghana from 1957. Ebe kane yenya president bi a wabua Ghana chen na ado da Akufo-Addo. Me say free 1957 be kane mo form Kwame Nkrumah no mo form Obia di wa ba di mampanya wa bo Ghana ho ban e di Ghana kola nim chen na ado da Akufo-Addo. Me kana de say ya di jawa near the swamp. The Dijano, first why ye manu ya akono. Eti na ye jina yamba de si 2008 na bi si biomo. Chama wutu kan na me kase so. De baya fe, de baya ni monyam, sana na do bako adako run over. Na 7 January. What's all no di no keto Bawumia. Ghana ha ye chechi Ghana abako sama. But Akufo-Addo call retirement. Not even the case we say a free say chechi Ghana from 1957. Ebe kane ye nya president bi a wabo Ghana China na do da Akufo-Addo. Me say a free 1957. Be kane mo famo Kwame Nkrumah no, mo famo Obia di wa ba di mampanya. Wa Ghana ho ban.
We ni rain. Infantile say impechi some say.
You are watching GC News on YouTube.
Loose
Hot
talk,
news all time.
Empty talk. Statistics ben na what they can say. Statistics ben. One district, one factory. Mudi ekwesi infa. 1 million for every constituency. Mudi ekwesi saying. Now one among you is asking questions. Say, where is the 1 million amudibema every constituency? And you see, Napo should be spoken to. That tomboy attitude in him. Got to stop it. You got to stop it, man. Stop this crap. As I said, Ghana, yadi ani dieni obuo, yadema on my penny. When you're the baby, Kwaku Annan, Yapo, Yampo, Bonini, Sumna, Mumuna, Damoka history channel, and no idea, of course, I know. Nanta, and ya, someone, and to Kutu a tampon. And Yama Papo, Ayama Ghana, my yebi. Ye Messiah, who are Bakwasemu, a Bible netumia to this. And then, Saglame, affordable house, na Musimuze, and the Sua, and Kusie, and Chilebenim Pemire, and I did Dynamwafa. Mizedian, in Kusie. In Trebin nim pemire and a good dining and a honor I am what to say there graveyard. When you muase oh be Kwaku Annan kromasem moto we no sisi on wetimi aye o minister no onus o jai sans some phone am ko kan wo Ghana na mo dey some phone too much. The arrogance is just too much. You say Napo mu ade a ampa so enura wentimi amenum nyam amma de wo ye no meanwhile wo offer Ojahose watete yi enso gira ho asimpie so asantememu ugu ofa enimu ase. But let me say this, we demand to know whether or not Opoku Prempeh was speaking his mind or otherwise. Again, we demand to know who among the running mates so far, ye bisa question bi wa ha, who among the running mates so far had paid a whooping sum of $20 million to secure his running mate slot. Well, you say so far. Professor Nano Opoku-Addo. Ye Napo. Who else? Maybe the rest I haven't heard. But I'm asking a question. Who is this running mate? With TSA Sikawe, $20 million. Womucha video. Grobi besi, adibi besi. Nina nini pebi trahu video. Who is this running mate? Well, may I conclude and say, we here at the front line will recommend. I hear very sensitive and I mean it. I mean it bad. Ghana for Muntie. We here at the front line will recommend that take all our presidential and running mate aspirant to some form of medical checkup, because we are beginning to see traces of autism here, folks. Yes, we are beginning to see traces of autism somewhere, and this is pretty dangerous for our democratic setting. We here at the front line will recommend that we take all our presidential and running mate aspirant to some form of medical checkups, because we are beginning to see traces of autism somewhere. And this is pretty dangerous for our No. I'm not to say those in that condition, no. But but we are beginning to see some traces of autism, some kind of syndrome. And all the aspirants, Ghanaians, let's rally. Take all of them through some medical checkup before it blows out of our faces. No. What is this? Autism? May say those who don't know what I'm talking about, we are seeing the traces of autism somewhere. and it's dangerous for this political setting.
Yo, wait for because this is so and now we so we subscribe to the channel now. Mr. Say over subscribe. Now, while like now see what share video no ama of so any now worry. Was with me actually working Afriyie and selling in our home air climate box. Mobile interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.